Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that will provide you with invaluable insights into achieving success in the dynamic world of business. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 essential business tips that are tailored to help you thrive and grow your ventures in 2023 and beyond. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. 1. Embracing technological advancements. We'll explore how embracing the latest technological advancements, such as AI, blockchain, and automation, can give your business a competitive edge and streamline various processes. 2. Building a strong company culture. Discover the importance of fostering a positive company culture and how it can enhance employee satisfaction, productivity, and overall performance. 3. Navigating the post-pandemic landscape. Learn about the key strategies businesses have adopted to adapt to the post-pandemic world, and how to position your company for success in the current climate. 4. Leveraging social media marketing. Explore the power of social media platforms for marketing and branding, and how to effectively engage with your target audience to build a loyal customer base. 5. The art of networking. We'll share tips on networking to expand your professional contacts, foster valuable partnerships, and unlock new opportunities for your business. 6. Sustainable business practices. Discover the benefits of integrating sustainable practices into your business model, appealing to eco-conscious consumers and contributing to a greener future. 7. Balancing innovation and risk. Learn how to strike the right balance between taking calculated risks and fostering innovation to drive your business forward without compromising its stability. 8. Financial management and budgeting. Explore essential financial management practices, including budgeting, forecasting, and cash flow management to ensure the financial health of your business. 9. Enhancing customer experience. Understand the significance of providing exceptional customer experiences and how it can lead to increased customer loyalty and positive word-of-mouth marketing. 10. Mastering the art of leadership. We'll delve into effective leadership qualities, communication skills, and strategies for motivating your team to achieve common goals and foster a productive work environment.
And there you have it, our top 10 essential business tips for success in 2023. We hope these insights will serve as a guiding light on your entrepreneurial journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable content on business and entrepreneurship. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Millionaire.